Hello everyone, we're going to make these beautiful planters. So cut the top and base and make a hole at the base of the bottle like this. Now cut it using a cutter. Then we are going to remove it and put the top of it inside it and close the lid using the bottle. Make a hole and look, your planters are ready. We are going to make this beautiful planter. So mark a line and cut the base. Similar way, we are making a beautiful design using the bottle cap. Cut it using a cutter. Now remove all the portions and paste it like this. We are also pasting the box inside it like this. Close the lid using the bottle cap. Make a hole and look, your planter is ready. Look at this beautiful flower pot. Let's make it. So mark line on the base. Similar way, we are also making these semicircles above it using marker like this. After this, we are going to cut all of them using this cutter. Look how we are doing here. Cut it along the line like this. Cut it, flip it and again cut it. Now remove the top portion. Put it at the center. Make a hole. Put it inside and close the bottle lid. Make holes on it. Place all the plants inside it and look, it's ready. Let's use this empty jar. We're going to mark line on it. Now with the help of this bottle cap, draw semicircles on it. Draw the flowers. Now we're going to cut it using this cutter. Cut the flowers as well. Make holes at the center like this. Cut it. After this, remove it like this. Then we're going to put these sticks inside it like this on the holes. Braid it like this. Also we are going to paste a handle and look, it is ready. Before that, we are going to cut a flower from the empty bottle. Make multiple cuts on the straw, paste it and look, your flower is ready. You can put it on your washroom for different containers and look, it's done. We're going to make this beautiful flower pot. Cut the base of the bottle. Now draw lines on it. We are drawing the petals as well. Now with the help of a cutter, cut it like this. Cut the petals as well. Here we are using scissors and cut it. Now spread it. After this, we're going to make a hole on the base of the bottle like this. Remove it. Then we're going to put all of them together. Close the bottle lid like this. Make a hole. Paste beads around it and look, your beautiful plant pot is ready. Look at these colorful planters. Let's make it. Mark line on it using marker. Then we are also making these beautiful petal designs like this. After this, we are going to cut it using a cutter. Look how we are doing here. Cut both the lines like this. After this, we are going to cut the handle as well. Now remove it. Here we are going to make a flower design on the handle like this. Spread the petals and look, we are going to cut a circle from the another part and draw lines on it. Here we are making the flower. So cut more flowers and bend all of them like this. You can also use a lighter to bend them. Now we're going to combine all of them together like this. After this, paste all of them using hot glue gun and look, your flower is ready. After this, we're going to paste it on the top of the handle and look, your beautiful rose flower petal and planter is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.